Private browsing on your MacBook Neo is the best way to keep your history hidden. Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox, each browser have different quick ways to enter and exit Incognito Mode. Let's dive in. If you're using Firefox Browser, open the browser. Whether you're in a specific website or in the home screen, doesn't matter. Just click on this hamburger menu. Then, from this drop-down menu, select New Private Window. And since you're on a MacBook, an additional way to enter private browsing is while the browser is open, click on the File tab, and from there you can click on New Private Window option as well. Private browsing mode will start and you can browse through that window. To exit this mode, simply click on this cross icon and you will go back to your normal browser interface. If you're using Google Chrome browser, open Chrome and, like before, you can either click on File, then go to New Incognito Window, or you can click on these three dots and hit New Incognito Window. You will end up in Incognito Mode. You can browse privately from there. To exit that mode, just click on the cross icon at your window and you'll go back to normal browser interface. However, if you are using Safari, after opening the browser, just click on the File tab and then hit New Private Window. You will go straight to private browsing. When you are done browsing in private mode, to exit, just click on the cross sign and you will end up on your regular Safari interface. That's it. Be safe and secure.